Starting around 19 October 2023, Algorand sort of is exchanging at $0.090 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.2% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in an extremely significant manner. Algo in a real sense has a truly complete market cap of $713,106,551 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,821,859 in an unobtrusive manner. This generally makes Algorand, Algo, truly positioning at 48 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Algorand truly be fundamentally worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Algorand an essentially wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is very critical? Will Algo cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, or so they especially thought? These are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which basically is genuinely huge. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost basically is supposed to generally cross an extremely normal value level of 12 cents, the normal by and large least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to in a real sense be 12 cents. Exhibiting that Algorand, Algo, value forecast 2023 as per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized investigation. In 2023, the Algo cost generally is supposed to really cross a kind of normal value level of 12 cents, the normal truly least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to especially be 12 cents amazingly. Besides, Algo can for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of 13 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the by and large most extreme cost for Algorand could truly stretch around 11 cents, which by and large is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 truly is 10 cents, with an especially normal cost of 11 cents, or so they truly thought. Algorand value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense be at around in every way that really matters, least of 11 cents, truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost can basically arrive at a kind of limit of 12 cents, with the fundamentally normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, showing how Algorand value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is supposed to sort of be at around an exceptionally least of 11 cents, or so they essentially thought. Algorand value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand in every way that really matters is supposed to by and large be at around an essentially least of 11 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algorand cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of limit of 12 cents, with the truly normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, showing how by and large is Algorand and all things considered, wise venture or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is very huge. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand especially is somewhat anticipated to really reach it in every practical sense, least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. The Algo cost could essentially arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest worth of 13 cents, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand, Algo, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of is truly anticipated to truly arrive at a genuinely normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of 13 cents and a genuinely least of 12 cents in a by and large significant manner. Algorand truly passed value examination in every way that really matters. Recent hours, the crypto especially, has been explicitly diminished by 1.9% in its all things considered current worth, or so they truly thought. Assuming we essentially analyze the by and large current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap really is additionally down, or so they truly thought. Algorand by and large is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, showing that Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand for the most part is somewhat anticipated to reach at a really least worth of 12 cents in November 2023 in a genuinely significant way. The algo in every practical sense is down to nearly 5.51% in the especially most recent 7 days, certainly further appearance how in the event that we basically look at the ongoing business sector cap of the algo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for exceptionally past sort of couple of days. The coin could for the most part have in every practical sense solid essentials in any case. We don't explicitly feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, showing how Algorand, Algo, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023 the cost of Algorand is basically anticipated to for the most part arrive at a very normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 13 cents and a fundamentally least of 12 cents, or so they generally thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo diminished by 61.801%, disposing of an astounding essentially normal amount of 15 cents from its certainly current worth in a very significant manner. This unexpected down really implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a fundamentally great in every way that really matters, purchase an open door for certainly speedy venture, showing how inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo by and large diminished by 61.801%. Dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of 15 cents from its essentially current worth, which in every practical sense is very huge. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 63.19%, and the cost especially circled from an in every practical sense, least by and large normal cost of 23 cents to fundamentally greatest especially normal cost of 25 cents in the sort of beyond 90 days, fundamentally further appearance how Algorand cost can basically arrive at a truly limit of 12 cents with the kind of typical cost of 11 cents in United States dollars. Showing how Algorand value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is supposed to especially be at around a sort of least of 11 cents, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand really is somewhere near 51.89% with the most extreme pretty typical cost of the coin certainly was around 17 cents. And the very least exceptionally normal cost of explicitly was around 16 cents in certainly beyond 4 months in an in every practical sense, significant way. Algorand value conjecture 2023 facts. What will generally be Algorand kind of worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical. The algo cost in a real sense is gauged to generally arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest degree of 13 cents, with truly least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023 in an in every practical sense, enormous way. Does Algorand generally have a future, which basically is very huge? As far as value, Algorand for the most part has an extraordinary really potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, showing how as far as value, Algorand basically has an exceptional kind of potential to arrive at new levels, which basically is very critical.